Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So I'm going to spotlight a couple of things for the month of October. Yes, so there are a couple of the five top NAICS codes that they're hiring, and these are the agencies that you want to look at being hired. So of course, we always talk about some of the things you need to do. I'm never, ever, ever going to get tired of teaching you to make sure that you are in the vendor portals of the agencies you want to work with, because you want to always think of who is your buyer, where are they, and why would they want to buy from you. So always think of something you can add that's going to give you that little bit of edge that's going to make you a little different. You have to stand out completely. Pretty impossible to be able to do that. But you can always think of something you can do a little different when it comes to your training, or when it comes to the methods that you actually may do your training. Think of things when we think about trademarks, something we can do that's going to set us apart. So I'm going to dive into this video right now for the month of October. What can you do as far as the 5 top NAICS codes and the 5 top agencies that are looking for you right now? Number 1, NAICS code 115310. They have over a couple of million for small businesses, and this is support for activities for forest services. The next one is 541611, and this is admin, management, and consulting. They have over $1 million for this. The next NAICS code is 722310, and this is for food service contractors. The next is for 561210, facility support services. They have over 223,000 contracts that they have funds for, that they're looking for small businesses. And the next is going to be 812320, which is one of my students' favorites, laundry and dry cleaning. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of agencies that are looking to hire small businesses right now, top 5 for the month of October. Ready? Let's go. Department of Agriculture, the State Department, number 2. The Homeland Security, not surprised about that, because FEMA, with all these emergencies going on for DRC contracts, number 3. Veteran Affairs, number 4, and to round this out is the Treasury Department. So those are my top 5 NAICS codes and top 5 agencies departments. Now, what you need to do is make sure, 1, you are registered in these vendors. 2, look at what they offer. Can you match up what you do for these agencies? Number 3, of course, you need to be registered in SAM, have your CAGE code. Number 4, make sure you have your DSBS profile already. So if you want to learn more, because I'm giving you the high level, if you want the high level, make sure you join me for my weekly GovCon Lunch and Learn. Keep you on there for about 30, 35, 40 minutes, going into a lot of this detail, a lot of it. Each week we do something different. I think this week we're specializing in, drum roll please, I love talking about subcontracting. So we're going to talk about subcontracting this week, and also I'm going to talk about one of my favorite. When you're looking to be a subcontractor and you want to email these prime contractors, what should you say? What should you put in that email that makes them cannot wait to work with you? So if you'd like to learn more, then make sure you click the link. Join me for my GovCon Lunch and Learn every Wednesday, 12 noon Eastern time. Look forward to seeing you there. Until next time, have a fantastic day and talk soon. Bye-bye.